Got a new phone and want to move your TikTok account? Here's how to transfer your TikTok account to another phone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You don't actually move a TikTok account. You simply log in on your new phone and everything transfers automatically. Followers, videos, drafts stored online, and settings. On your old phone, open TikTok. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then open Settings and Privacy. Tap Account, then Account Information. Here you'll see your login email, phone number, or username. Now switch to your new phone. Install and open TikTok, then tap Log In. Select Use phone, email, or username. Using email is recommended to avoid username confusion. Enter your email or username and tap Continue. TikTok will send a verification code. Enter the code to log in. If you prefer, tap Use Password and sign in normally. Tap Forgot Password, choose email or phone number, reset your password, then log in. Your videos, followers, likes, and profile settings will appear instantly on the new phone. Drafts stored locally may not transfer. Back them up before switching phones. And that's it. That's how to transfer your TikTok account to another phone in 2026. Subscribe for more TikTok tips.